Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're here with Shay. She is 30 weeks pregnant, so 10 more weeks till a baby.
Yay! I'm getting it just early, yes.
And it is a
boy.
This is her first one. So she's been going through a lot of, not issues, but a lot of aches and pains that come with pregnancy. She's been dealing with sciatica, low back pain, and then also into her neck and traps. Also, she is a smaller stature, so as the baby grows, then it leads to more imbalances in different places that she's never felt before. So we're gonna get her adjusted, we're gonna loosen things up, and then correct me if I'm wrong, you were dealing with sciatica a
I
couple
was,
weeks ago.
and now it's gone after an adjustment. So that's been great.
Sweet! So we'll keep it going and keep it going until the last few weeks of
Yeah.
boy. Let's do it. Okay, you're gonna stay right there. We're gonna loosen things up some more up here. Alright, if it's too much pressure at any point, let me know.
And you will do.
You working from home right now, or still have to go to the office?
I go to the office 3 days a week, but in 9 weeks I retire.
You retired?
Yes. Throwing myself a retirement party.
There you go. You're tight right there.
Mm-hmm.
Look down, chest. There you go, right there. It's good. And then chin down this way. Perfect. One more time. You guys like have your bag and all that back yet?
No, we don't even have a nursery.
That's okay.
He doesn't even have a crib.
You just need a bassinet.
We don't have that either. He
Yeah.
has a car seat.
Hey, that's the first thing.
Yeah, we got the Duna.
You gotta get him home, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's the one that.
The Dune is the best.
Yeah, that's the one that you gotta turns into a car seat, right?
Yeah, car seat stroller.
Stroller.
So Logan's parents actually got it for us.
Relax, that's awesome. Exciting times. Those are the best days.
Just preparing.
Yeah. It's like the excitement leading up to it. And then it's like you're 3 weeks into it, you're like, what is this? And then like 3 months go by and you're like, this is amazing.
It's crazy to me that they just trust people to have children.
Yep. They don't really trust people, I mean, you make them on your own, you know?
Well, yeah, but they send them home with you.
This is true. We can't judge your character with a couple of days that you're in there. Or can that. One of the two.
You still have to find a pediatrician.
Yeah.
How do you choose that?
I mean, you guys have to have a conversation about what you're looking for and, you know, what you both want.
Like, do you meet with them before, or?
You can. A lot of pediatricians, especially around this area, have like meet and greets, and they generally do it once every other week or once a month. So pick like 2 or 3 that you guys like and what you like about them. Like if you're trying to go the more holistic approach, or if you want more of the, you know, whatever, like the standardized schedule, or you can choose your schedule with the whole vaccine thing.
Oh, okay.
Everybody's different because there are some that you can choose to do none, or you can choose to do all, or you can do
Like
at
a
your own schedule.
delayed.
Yes. Like for ours, we did delayed.
Right, you guys follow the Canada schedule, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like there's too many. Our big thing is we didn't want multiple at one time.
Right.
Because it's just too much at once for them. But everybody's different. Okay, face up for me.
Well, because he has to have surgery, like, I think they.
Yeah, it's a
He
lot
just
of
has
their
to get him exactly when.
a lot on their body, you know what I mean? Like they're having to do that and they're getting into it. It's like, oh, this is perfect. Alright, deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Relax that one. Holy
Oh my
moly.
gosh.
Arms the other
Yeah,
one.
my ribs feel like they're like popping out of place.
also relax that for me. You'll also notice the last 10 weeks and stuff, you'll feel it a little bit more just because your body's getting ready to feed. So you're gonna feel like your breasts are gonna become more full.
Well, and my doctor was like, yeah, you know, your diaphragm moves up and like your ribs expand. I'm like, okay, so my whole body just,
Yep.
everything's in a different
Like a
place.
giant baby in a small frame.
He is pretty big. He's still in the 78th percentile.
Holy smokes. I don't even think any of my kids were on the percentile. They're like less than 1%. Oh, there you go.
And that's with the cleft lip.
Yeah. Got less density there.
Just like, I don't understand. Logan was huge though.
He was like 10 pounds, wasn't
11.
he? 11. Oh my god. Relax that neck for me. Beautiful. Girl, you are moving. 11. Okay, on your side, face me. I'm right here for you.
Okay.
Other side for me. Relax that shoulder. Awesome. On your back. And check out those round ligaments. Point to your belly button for me.
Where is it? Oh.
I've lost my belly button.
It moves.
Okay, you're good. This side's not as bad. More tender on one side?
Yeah, he's down here though. His
Yeah.
head is
I can feel it.
right here. His feet are up here.
Let's see. So if we come into your psoas right here, that's more of your muscles, so we're good right there. That feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's check this side. Okay. We're gonna open up this hip right here, just like this. And push here, push up with your knee, and let it go. You can only get so much of a stretch in before he stops this. There we go.
Oh, he'll make it known if he doesn't like something.
I'm like, hey guys, I'm right here.
He's so, like, I'm a very type A
Yeah.
person,
Relax that head.
and I overthink a lot.
There you go.
And so is the doctor. I was like, do I need to do kid count? He goes, no. I don't think it would be the best
You
decision
got like
for
all the
you.
timers on there. Okay. Come on.
Oh.
There you go. Move that around. How's it feel?
A lot better.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Cool, cool. Hi, Dad.
Alrighty, fine.